Welcome to Between the Covers.
This is Nature Pop-Up Mountains by renowned paper crafter David Hawcock. This is for 6 years and up.
Young curious minds will learn about the ecosystems of different mountains around the world, including their terrains, climate, and the incredible creatures who inhabit these. There's 8 pop-up mountain scenes in all. The initial spread introduces the topic. Mountains are part of the land and are made of rocks and earth, but they rise up to tower over everything around them. A group of mountains is called a mountain range. Mountain ranges, such as the Rocky Mountains or the Himalayas, are usually more than 900 miles or 1,450 kilometers long. That's about the length of 16,000 football fields. The lower slopes of mountains are home to a wide variety of animals. The pop-up is a stunning multi-tiered vignette featuring the creatures found in that particular environment. And readers can discover a host of fun facts, such as the text I read, but here's some other facts. More than half of the world's fresh water originates in mountains. And a mountain is at least 2,000 feet or 610 meters high. That's as tall as 10 school buses. Anything shorter than that is considered a hill. Wow, that's a new fact for me. As you go through, again, you'll see different mountain environments from around the world. Here we have the Alps in Europe. It actually stretches across 8 different countries. Wow. Europe, Austria, Italy, Switzerland, Germany, and France. At the top of the Alps is very cold and snows all year round. Again, some cool fun facts. There are more than 30,000 different kind of animals living in the Alps. Wow. Animals like the ibex, or wild mountain goat, live in the Alps because of the high altitude. And we move on to Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Again, a vignette featuring the animals found there and some cool fun facts. Here we see the Himalayas. And some cool animals. Some other facts. Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. The world's highest mountain at 29,000 feet. Next we have Mount Fuji in Japan. Mount Fuji is an active volcano. Beautiful creatures there. Next we have the Rockies, or the Rocky Mountains. Spans across US and Canada. Next we have the Andes on the western coast of South America. Very different animals living in the Andes. Again, some fun facts. And finally we have the White Mountains, found in New Hampshire and some of Maine in the United States. Includes Mount Washington and the Appalachian Trail. Some different creatures living in that snowy environment. So there we have Nature Pop-Up Mountains.